let's take the golf ball launcher off, and now we're going to see what a can will do. I'm going to shoot a can at that same OSB. I'm going to shoot a can through the woods and see how far it'll go. And to take the golf ball launcher off, you just thread it off. It's that easy. I'm going to lay it on the table behind me. And now we have a can launcher. Let's go see what the can launcher will do. Paul. What's up, guys? Can cannon set up. Got some seltzer water. It's nasty. Nobody should drink this. So we're going to use it for ammo. Nice snug fit. Slides down. Notice also the soda does not go all the way down. It has a stop. It does not go all the way to the bottom. There's a stop in here. It will not go all the way to the bottom. Okay? We're not chambered yet. I'm going to go ahead and chamber up. We're going to shoot this thing down through the woods kind of at a little bit of an angle here and just see how far it goes. I'm going to try and use this can cannon sight that they provided with it and see what it does. So when you're ready, I'm going to kind of go right at that blue target board there. That blue target board's probably 20, 30 yards away.
All right, good angle.
I think it busted the can before the can left the barrel. Did you see it spraying when it was leaving?
You hit that tree.
But it went all the way to that tree. So it shot way to the right, but the trajectory was almost on where this sight is. So I think and that makes sense because the sight's offset to the left. So I'm gonna have to compensate for that. Let's pause and we'll load up again. Let's see if we can hit this plywood.
Okay, go.
Penetration test. We're gonna see if this seltzer water will go through that plywood, OSB, 7/16 OSB. So I'm gonna try and aim at this and see what'll happen. We're chambered, we're hot, here goes. All right, so the can cannon will not go through OSB, but I will tell you, it's amazing how hard this thing kicks with that 12 ounces of soda. But I guess if you took an AR-15 and loaded a 12-ounce slug, it would kick pretty hard. So, but anyway, so seltzer water will not go through OSB, but it gave it a good wallop and it's fun to watch. I'm gonna shoot one straight up, so let's set that up. All right, straight up, we're chambered. Let's see what she does. Woo! That's up there, still coming down. Did you follow that?
I tried.
That is amazing. Wow, I went pretty far. Woo! All right, cool. Smoke coming out of the barrel from the blanks. All right, cool. Well, I'm not going to shoot a jug of water with a soda. So anyway, that's kind of an intro to this. I think this sight is useless. Playing with it, it's way off to one side. I'm actually just looking over the barrel, kind of estimating about where it should go. And I think that's going to work way better than anything else you can do. So, but that's the golf ball launcher and the can launcher and kind of what they do. And let's go ahead and clear that and lock it open. And we're at a cold range. So anyway, that's what she'll do. And, you know, kind of fun. It's a little toy. And I've got an AR-500 steel target set up. We're 7-8 yards from us. And I want to shoot it with a soda can and see what it does. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to see if I can hit that piece of paneling next to it, that red and white target, just to get my aim right. And then I'm going to switch over to that steel target. So anyway, let's get down on that paneling. Let's see if this will go through paneling. So here goes. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Over.
A little high.
All right. So the cans shoot high is what I think I'm learning. The cans shoot high. So let's chamber another blank. I forgot how much these kick way harder than the golf balls. All right, aim a little lower. Here goes. Oh! All right, so it won't go through OSB, but it'll send a 12-ounce soda can through paneling. The look on the cameraman's face when I did that, he liked that. All right, so here goes. Let's try the steel plate. I don't think I can hit this, but I'm gonna try. So you on the plate there?
I'm on the plate.
All right, here goes. Oh, nice, good shot.
That was nice. That was nice.
That was pretty cool. So it hits and just blows up. And the can's in a million pieces. I can guarantee that. It hit and just flattened out on the steel target. I mean, it just flattened. Wow, that's pretty cool. So it just And this is the only thing seltzer water is good for, really. So anyway, I got it loaded up again. I'm gonna shoot that paneling another time, just because that's too much fun. So zero in on that paneling real quick. I'm gonna hit it again. Oh, right through it. So anyway, the paneling, OSB will stop a can, paneling will not. So matter of fact, let me grab another can. I got another blank in here. Let me grab another can. Remember, guys, friends don't let friends drink seltzer water. This was on sale at Food Line, a local grocery store chain that I shop at. It was on sale, and I thought that's the perfect thing to shoot because it's nasty. So anyway, I'm going to shoot this OSB again, and I've done this enough now. I'm going to try and shoot it straight on pretty much. So I'm going to see if I can get this to go through this OSB. Here we go. Nope. Nice solid hit. It will not go through 7/16 OSB. Although it rocked my target stand good, I would not want to be downrange from this. Got the F5 Manufacturing can launcher, and we realize a paint can. This is one of my partially used spray paint cans that I leave for spraying my targets. I leave it at the range. So it's been sitting out, and it's about a third of a can of paint, maybe close to a half a can of paint. That's as far in as it goes. And I am going to try and hit my 2/3 size IPSC steel target, my AR 500 target that I practice with. And I'm going to try and repaint it. It needs to be repainted, so I'm going to try and repaint it. And I hope I don't miss. And we're going to just see what happens. So anyway, we're loaded. You're on the target there?
On the target.
Cross our fingers. Here we go.
That was pretty pitiful.
That was pitiful. And I think I had a crappy blank. It's what I had. I think I had a crappy blank. And
go.
All right, take two. We're gonna try again. So we're loaded up. Let's get on the target and let's see if I can hit it. Ready?
Ready.
Boy, the difference in those two was night and day. Let's lock it open. Let's try one more. Ooh. 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 That is a snug fit. All right. Ready?
Ready.
Got our paint can reloaded. And what is this? Take four. Take four-ish. See if we can hit this target. Ready?
Ready.
Oh! That
Caught
hit.
the corner.
Hang on. I got another paint can. Let me try and see if I can hit it center this time. I'm getting zoned in. I got it with the golf ball launcher. Now I'm going to get it with the paint can. Don't want to go all the way in. There we go. Open the chamber so it can breathe. Ready?
Ready.
Missed
just
again. Over it. Just over it. All right. Let me clear it. All right, guys. So here is our can. And we hit the corner of the target. You can see this dented in real nice and split open. That's the paint spray you saw. Still not a solid hit, so we're going to set up and try again.
Go.
All right. Set up again. Chambered. We're going to see. That.
Oh! That was awesome. Did you see that fog of paint? That was awesome.
Yeah, I think we probably painted something on the range white with that. Let me clear the can launcher there. We're clear. Let's go down and see if we can see where it hit the target. I don't know that it actually painted the target at all.
No.
It actually hit right here. There's, well, yeah, there's wet paint there a little bit, but not enough to cover all the bullet hit. And let me grab that. Oh wow, it looks like it hit sideways because it's flat. So it definitely doesn't shoot them out like a projectile. It just kind of flails them, and it went out flat. It definitely hit the target. There's a corner or something, so it hit, but split the whole top off, and I don't
But the nice part was it exploded.
I don't see the top. I don't
God
know where the
knows where
top
it
piece went. I think it blew up on us. But anyway, so that's the aftermath. There's what's left. So anyway, kind of cool. And we'll clean this up, and look at all the paint on the leaves and all around. It's that's kind of cool. So anyway, some of that's from that first one that we had a dud with, but some of that's from that second one. It definitely got a good spray of white. So anyway, that's really cool. And I think our next one we try will be expanding foam. I think that would be a fun thing to do. So now I'm gonna have to go buy some expanding foam. My cameraman's making my life expensive but fun. So anyway, appreciate the support, guys. Like and subscribe.